Hello, welcome to SMSrush. This is me, Irfan Rashid, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Android device with your portal is with your SMSrush account. So, what is SMSrush? You're familiar with that. You already have created your account. If not, SMSrush is bulk SMS marketing online portal where you can use on your desktop or any device, and you can send bulk SMS by using your Android device as SMS gateway. Means the portal will use your Android device to send SMS. Means SMS will be delivered from your SIM card. So in this video, we're going to show you how you can connect your Android device with the portal. So if you have not yet created your account, you can simply click on start for free, or you can try it for free. If you have already planned, you can just get started with that. Without any wasting any time, you can sign in directly to your account. So here I am signed in with my account, and so let's connect device. There are three ways to connect your Android device with the portal. First of all, when you're on dashboard, there are different options: messages, contacts, and devices tools. And if you want to add your Android device, you can simply click on add device, and you can go to devices where you will be able to see the already connected devices, because you can add multiple devices, as I already have connected one Android device over there. And if you want to connect more than that, or you have not yet connected your any Android device, first of all you must know which Android devices you can connect. You can simply click on guide here. You can read what should be the version of your Android device. We support the Android devices above 5.0, and that's it. Means if your Android version is below that, sorry, it will not work with you. So your Android device must be 5.0 version or above that. You can say 4.4 or above that. So, and next thing is you can simply click on here again. If you're on a devices, you can click on add device over there, and in the sidebar here you can see add device. So there you can see all the instructions. You can There are two ways to add a device. The first is download. Here is a blue download button. You can simply download it, and it's the version of our Android application, right? And the next thing is you can also download it via scanning QR code. So first, if you are on uh, desktop, you can simply click on QR code, or you can turn on the camera of your mobile and scan this QR code. The application will be downloaded using your browser on your mobile device, and later on you can install it. So simply click on download, and your browser will give you option to download that app. So here you can see when I click on download, it gives me option to download the application. This is the name of the package, net.smsrush.gateway, and that's very easy. You can download it and save it. So once it's saved on your PC. It's basically it's APK, means Android application, and you can move it to your mobile device by any way. By You can share it to your mobile device for Bluetooth, or you can share it from your WhatsApp, and you can email it on your mobile device. If you directly want to download that on your mobile device, the procedure is very simple.
Okay, so I am on my mobile device, and you can see here. Uh, let's say, let me scan QR code on your mobile device. You have a different browser, or you can see if you already have an application that scan QR code, that's fine. Otherwise, because it's Android application, you already have Google on it, and you can simply click on Google. If you can see on my app on the top, so there is Google search bar, and there is a cam icon. So I can simply click on that cam icon, and I will open the cam, and I'm moving to my QR code here, and then I will click on search icon. Here you can see it's a smsrush.net. I already scanned the QR code. You can simply tap on that link, and it will open in your browser, and it will give you option, as you can see on my screen, download it. So you can simply download it, and the application is downloaded. And later on, the next step is how you can open it or install it. We will see in our next step. If you don't want to download it by scanning QR code, you can simply go to your Chrome browser, go to smsrush.net, and simply click on menu and log into your account. Once you're logged in, as you can see the Android icon in the you can say right sidebar. simply this is the Android icon, and you will land it over this page, and you can simply click on that blue icon download button. You can click on that and application will be downloaded. Here you can see downloading gateway, please wait. So again your Android application is downloaded by this way. Otherwise you can click on that, you can click on the menu icon, go to devices, and then register devices. Here you can see your register devices. If you want to add a new app Android device, you can simply click on where you can see it's a register devices, and there was a Android icon, blue icon in front of that. You can click on that again, and again it will give you this page, download and install. You can simply download it over there, and once application is downloaded on your mobile device, or you have moved it to your you can say your phone, you can go to downloads. Otherwise you are able to see direct open it option. So if you already have not enabled to install unknown devices, sorry, unknown applications, let's see, let me show you. If I want to install that, it's a for your security your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps, means you have not downloaded that from Play Store, so that's why it's asking you for that. You can go to setting of your Android device, and if you are not familiar with that, you can simply click open on setting, and here you can allow unknown apps to be installed. You can turn on that. Otherwise you can go to your phone setting, right? Let me go there. Let's say setting. Okay, so in the setting you can search it unknown devices, sorry, unknown application. Here you can see install unknown apps. You can see that install unknown apps, and then you can allow. Here you can see install unknown apps, click on that, and turn on if you want to install from Chrome, because you have downloaded that from Chrome. You have downloaded that from WhatsApp. You can choose your WhatsApp or any application, and when you try to install any app from that specific application, that will be downloaded, sorry, that you will be able to install on that. So I downloaded it on Chrome, and so that's why I enabled for Chrome. And let's say click on install, so application will be installed. So application has been installed successfully, and you can see the icon. So let me go to the front end dashboard. Here you can see SMSrush, that's our icon, and you can simply click on the app, and let's say let me close that. And if I click on the add device button over there, and you can see, and there are two, for the first two options are for downloading app, and if you scroll down it's a register device. To register device you have to scan that QR code in our app. So you have to open SMSrush on a mobile device. So once app is open, it's a Vivo 1909 is unregistered, means it is not registered with the portal. So in front of that you can see a QR code icon in a blue with a blue background. You can click on that on the top, and you have to allow it, allow SMSrush to make manage phone calls. Yes, allow. And these are permissions you have to give to this application. And allow SMSrush to take pictures and record videos while using application. Yeah, of course, because you have to scan the QR code, so that's why we need cam permissions. So you have to scan this QR code. Here you can see, and here you can see, let me scan that in a proper way. Okay, just wait a minute, because okay, so now you can see the app is scanned, and you can see app is registered with the portal. So app is connected, and let me refresh that window again, and you will see here a new device will appear, and you can see it's Vivo 1909. Vivo is connected, and I connected right now. I say for 19 p.m. Sorry, am, and that's it. You can see the timings and all the features over there. So my app is connected with my portal, and next thing is, if I want to use, you can see the status is red, means status is app is connected to the portal, but it's not yet ready to send SMS. So for that you have to enable it. You can see on the left side of the status icon, it's a radio button. You have to check it, and it will ask you for some permissions. Let app always run in background because you're running SMS, and of course, and also to send SMS messages, allow it. And you can see now it's connected to the server, and app is connected. Now I can send SMS by using my Android application. So that was the procedure. You can simply used to connect your Android device with the portal. If I want to run messages, I can, if you want to run bulk SMS, you will be able to see, I can send bulk SMS, and let's say bulk SMS, and I can choose my Android device which is connected over there. So you can see mobile device, it's automatic, but if you have multiple devices here, you can see my one device is not online, means it's not connected. That's why it's saying offline, and my Vivo 19 is online status, you can see it's connected. So that's why I am able to connect it with my portal, and I can use it for sending bulk SMS. Thank you so much. If you still need any help, you can WhatsApp us, or you can simply chat with us over there, just by sending us offline message, and we will get back to you. Thank you so much, and share with your friends. Thanks.